Look here, I'm here at Port Marino, cross country invasion, and this girl is so solid. I want a daughter like this girl. I want my daughter to be like this girl. So therefore, we're talking about the busman. Now, this man in big fight near the Brooklyn busman were there with schoolgirl and police and he to them and threatened also the imprisonment. So they have decided who going to spill the beans on who. So my question to you, Madam Prefect, is it rife in Port Marie? Do you have a lot of schoolgirls wanting to have relationship with busmen?
Yes, you do.
Why though? Why?
Because of what they can offer them that probably their father can't. Okay. Men promise young girls gadgets and stuff that probably their parents would not give them or cannot afford to give them, or probably in time they reward them with it, but no, they want to rush it and actually want to get it any way possible. And I think that personally it's also the problem of the female to actually give themselves that easily just for these things. They don't even say, okay, let me try and work for it. No, they want it very easily.
So the question is how you manage as a schoolgirl to not get caught up in that. I mean, come on. Your own Samsung, your own iPhone, you can talk, you can WhatsApping and snapping. How come you don't desire the same thing? Do you have one, by the way?
No, I don't have any fancy phone. I settle with what I have.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So how come you not desire that like the other schoolgirl then?
Yes, I do desire it. The urge is there to actually want these things because you know you see your friends have it and those stuff like that. But I know that my mother cannot personally afford it. I will settle with what I have.
So about if a big man I promise you though, look at them nice big man I say, hey my girl, may I give you an iPhone 10.
But they also can give me pregnancy, STDs, HIV, which I don't want.
Solid.